for girly who have bigger cup size, then you will have trouble finding pattern that actually fit to your body proportion. Because I'm Asian, I'm not very tall, so the pattern tend to fit really weird on me. One thing really cool about pattern is that you can customize it to your cup size or your height. I think I have a little bit of obsession with having pattern that has the perfect fit. If you need to modify the pattern to your cup size, you can choose a two sides that corresponding to your chest measurement and your bust measurement. I'm gonna show you how to adapt the pattern to your measurement. So keep in mind that it is more or less a general guide because each pattern is different, so make sure that you follow the instruction in the booklet. So as you can see for this pattern, I use Adobe Acrobat Reader to print two sides. So let's just say that in this situation, the smaller size is the chest and the bigger size is the bust. So this indicates that the cup size is more than cup C. And I use a pen to start drawing the neck, the shoulder, and the armhole of the smaller size, and then going down from the armpit, it's extended to the bigger size. So this is the fullest point, which is a bust, and we need to extend it all the way to the side seam and also the dart and to the rest of the pattern. And also you need to do the same exact step for the back bodies as well. So basically that is how you do it. That is how you redraw the pattern so it can accommodate bigger cup size. Super easy, super efficient. The next tutorial is for how to adapt the pattern to your height. The technique is quite simple. All you need is to cut along the shorten or lengthening line and indicate that you need to lengthen the pattern. All you need to do is to put a piece of scrap paper on the bottom and you draw two parallel lines of the amount that you have to extend your pattern, and then you tape the upper part of the pattern on the top and the lower part of the pattern on the bottom. Make sure that you smooth out the line at the end. Each pattern will have different amount that you will need to lengthen or shorten, so please refer to the booklet. For shortening, it's even simpler. Basically, you just need to draw another line that parallel to the shorten or lengthening line and just cut along this line and tape it at the new line. Make sure that you smooth out the line at the end as well. For more complicated drawing, in this case, we're trying to transform the pattern from sleeve to sleeveless. In the booklet, there will be step-by-step listed. There will be specific measurement and you just measure, put in a dot, and then connect all the dots together. All of this tutorial apply to all of our pattern.